Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I hope you guys are having a great week. Today, I have my special IPSY surprise bag that showed up. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back. And guests, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. And if you like the content, please hit like before saying goodbye. So today, you guys, I have my IPSY bag. Yeah, and I believe this is my surprise bags. I did order a couple of them. You know, those mystery bags is what they call them. And so I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in here. The last couple of mystery bags I received was pretty good. So, but let's see. So anyway, I have not yet, I received my February IPSY Glam X, but I've not received my base bag yet. So I'm kind of wondering what's going on, but okay. It looks like it came like this and there's nothing else in the bag, so. Okay, but it looks like there's two bags together. I haven't seen it like this before. That's why I'm kind of like stunned. I'm like, okay. Usually they come, you know, in two separate like IPSY bags. But I guess, yeah, okay. So, anyway, which one should we start with? I mean, these are both very nice bags. I mean, very, you know, I mean, nice and plain. But, yeah, look at this. Very cute. So let's just go ahead and get started with this one. This is uniquely colored. I like this color block type of pattern. And there is a, oh, this is wood. It's a little wooden handle. And does it say IPSY on it anywhere? It does. It does. Here it is. It says IPSY. Very cute. And let's see what's inside the bag. Okay, you know, there's no cards in here because I guess these are the surprise bags and mystery bags. And I think these are, I think what they do is they have them from, you know, the previous regular shipments, and there's extra ones, so they, you know, send it out like that. So anyway, yeah, okay. Well, first off, the first thing I see in this bag is Triple Moisture hand whipped hand cream. So here it is. It's by Hamps. And I've used other products by this company. They're pretty good. I think I'll enjoy this. And let's see. This is All Day Moisturizer. It's enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. And it's a lotion to hydrate your skin. And I'm not sure if this is for, it does say body cream. So herbal whipped body cream. So do you use this on a body? Oh, that's great, because I have like tons of hand cream, but I don't have a whole lot of body cream other than, of course, my trusty old CeraVe that I always use. But yeah, I'm willing to give this a try. So here it is. And unfortunately, I don't have the value of these, but you know these bags are like $14. And so, yeah, at least if you get $14 worth of value, I guess it's good. Okay, the next thing in the bag is called a Seed to Skin Scrub. It's by Sela, and it looks like a body scrub of some kind. I don't use body scrubs, but yeah, this is interesting. You know what? One thing I do use is a foot scrub, though. So I, you know, for something like this, I can usually use it on my feet. And let's see how they come. Do they come sealed? They do. Oh, yay. See? So this is good. If that's the case, I can actually throw it in a giveaways. I don't like to send people ones with a, no seal, because I can't guarantee that it hasn't been tampered with, and I don't want to give it to somebody and it's been tampered with and, you know, something happened. So I'm just a little paranoid like that. So, okay, yeah, I'll just throw that into the giveaways. Okay, the next one is called Niu Body, spelled N-I-U Body, Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Oh my, you know what? I've been getting a lot of lip scrubs. I have like a whole drawer full of them now. And the last one I received was this ridiculous $71 one. What was the name of that company? Avant or something like that. And I tried it. It's, oh man, don't get it in your mouth. I mean, it's a lip scrub, so you're gonna get it in your mouth, because what it is there's a lot of, the sugar is sweet in there, but I think that was to hide this nasty chemical taste, and $71, I expected better than that. And so I used it one time and it's still sitting in a drawer. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to try to, use it or not. But anyway, this one is Pina Colada, and oh, this smells really nice. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and use this. So I opened it because I always, I keep one of these handy, and I like them because my lips do get dry, especially, believe it or not, in the summer, more so because I start wearing like more lipsticks. I think that's the reason why. So anyway, yeah, that's good. I like it. I like it. Okay, the next thing in the bag here, ooh, small print, small print. It's called Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So it's clinically proven to retain moisture for, I don't know, there's a blue line. I mean, it's kind of weird because there's a blue line crossing out something that was continued to say. So not sure what that's all about. Is it because it's no longer clinically proven or they got caught? Yeah, it says dermatologically tested, but it says clinically proven to retain moisture for blank up to 26 hours. Whatever that blank is, I don't know. This is weird. I've never received anything like that before. And on the back of it, it says, I don't know. It says AMJU03. I hope that doesn't mean like June 03 it expired. I don't think so, but it's weird. And it doesn't say a whole lot more than that. What is it? I mean, I don't get it. Where do you put it? I mean, True Cream Moisture Balm. So where do you put it on your face? What? I don't like that. There's not much information. Oh, this is cute though. It's like a hat, but I don't think I'm going to use this. Because, look, you see what I mean? Yeah. I don't know. It smells okay. I mean, it smells okay, but I don't know what it's for. It doesn't have any information. I can always look it up on the internet and see what it's for, but I don't like the way it came. It doesn't have a seal or anything. Yeah, it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell bad. It has that faint, perfume smell. So, okay, the next thing here is, I'm going to have to look at it, but it's not full. As you can see, it's about up to here. And I don't know what's up with that they've been sending things that are not completely full. This is by Aromatica, and it's a Rose Absolute, some kind of serum. First serum is what it says. First, F-I-R-S-T, serum. But it's really hard to read because light pink color, yeah. And so I guess it's some kind of a serum. I don't know where you put that serum. Oh, nice. I like it. Okay, at least they have a safety seal on it. Okay, okay, that's good. And again, I'll probably put this in a giveaway. It's got a safety seal. It's kind of a serum. You know me. I have my own skincare. So that's it. I received 5, deluxe travel size stuff. The hems, okay, and the body scrub, the lip scrub, some kind of a lotion that lasts for 26 hours, but it's blocked out, and the rose serum. So that's that. So yeah, that's okay. And I really like the bag, so that's a plus. And yeah, I just go ahead and keep it. And it has a little, of course, your IPSY thing here. Okay, that's that. Okay, so the next bag, onto this bag, I don't think it's going to say IPSY on it because it's a little like, those things that when you graduate, except for this is for the, this is short. So that's it. All right, it's okay. Let's get into it. Oh, right away, there's like a big tube of something. Ahava. Oh, I like this brand, actually. This is made in Israel, I believe. Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. And this is an IPSY exclusive, according to this. And so let me show it to you. Here it is. I have the giant one, which is in blue color, and it's for the hands, and it's by, it's made by, like the Dead Sea salt, and I got it from FabFitFun. It was a big full-size one. So, okay, what kind of lotion is this though? It says Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. Powered by Osmoter, Ahava's exclusive blend of minerals sourced from the wondrous Dead Sea waters. Yeah. This quickly absorbs rich moisture, drenches the skin, providing it with natural looking, lasting hydration. And it really is. And this is approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. And so that's nice. I like that. This is vegan by the looks of it. Paraben free, allergy tested, approved for sensitive skin. That's all on the back of it. And it just must be like a body lotion, not a face lotion. Although, you know, you could use it. It's okay. So it says, for younger looking skin, the skin is smooth and younger looking. Apply daily after cleansing. Oh, maybe it is for the face. Okay. But it doesn't say where to apply it. So, I mean, you know, I'm sure it's fine. And let's see if they have a safety seal. And they do. Bing, 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 bing. Winner. Okay, I will use this because I like this product. I do really like this product. And it's a good brand. And even though sometimes they have fragrance in it, it's very light, very minimal. And usually that's for the hand lotion, but not usually for the face lotion. Okay, the next one is Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion. Skylar. I've been seeing more and more by Skylar. I think they have, I don't know if Perfume Company. I don't know if it's the same company though. Okay, so by the looks of this, it is a hydrating body lotion. It's called Capri. It's sparkling citrus and sweet. No parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates. Okay, but I'm sure there's fragrance if it says it smells like that. And it does have, let's see. Yeah, it's got perfume. It does have it. It does have it. But it is hypoallergenic and cruelty-free. So, okay. And let's see if they have a safety seal. And they do. Oh, I'm so happy. You know what? I'm going to put this in the giveaways because, yeah, this looks like a nice one. But I'm not crazy about, you know, things that smell like sweet and citrus is what it says. And, yeah, usually I'm not into that because I like my scent to come through, my perfume. And so I like a fragrance-free stuff for, you know, lotions. Okay, the next thing in here is Perlice. Oh, yeah, Blue Lotus, right? I think. I remember having this from somewhere other. Yeah, Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Yeah, it gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, and tones and smooths. Smooths. Soap and sulfate free. That's what it is. Actually, I use this. It is nice. I'll go ahead and keep this one, and I will use it. It's a facial cleanser. And again, safety seal. Wow, they're doing it pretty good here. But I'm going to keep this one because I do like it. And if I'm ever able to travel again, I mean, these are perfect to throw in your bag. Because let's see, this is a Half Cloud Super Glazed Lip Cream. I guess it's a picture of a test tube. Okay, let's see what this looks like. It's a lip cream, but let's read about it. What does it do? It doesn't say anything other than half caked. It's called Half Caked. Okay. Yeah, and I have a lot of lip products. I'm not going to keep this. I'm not going to open it, okay? Oh, this is very pretty, though. Look at this. Oh, this is very mauve-y, very beautiful color. Oh, my. And this is a lip cream, so I'm sure this is, like, very nice and healing feeling. But you know what? I'm going to throw it in a giveaways because I do have a lot of lip products. And let's share, right? So, yep, that's that. And then the next one, oh, I have this one, I think. Unless it's by Autobalm Girl Power. Girl Power. And this is by The Balm. And usually, like I was saying before, I take these out of the, I take these out. I depot them and put them in my, I forgot what you call those again. The Z palettes, yeah. Yep, there it is. And this is a matte. You know, I just got 4 new powders for in one of my collections, so I'm not gonna need this. And this one is called Houston Street. Very cute. I don't think I have that one. Yeah, nice. For girls on the go is what it says. Girl Power. No, it is this powder. It does say that. Okay. All right. Very nice. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to throw this in the giveaway. So, yeah, because I think I have this one. Okay, that's it, guys. In this one, I got the Ahava cream, lotion. And I got the Perlice cleanser. I got the Super Glazed Balm. The Girl Powder blush. Why can't I remember blush? And the last thing is the Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion, okay? And so that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. Thank you so much for spending your time with me going through the mystery bags. I love a mystery, so yeah. So anyhow, thank you so much, my beautiful wildflowers. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. And if you're here for the first time, or if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And please click on that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. So anyway, I want you to have a good day, good night, good evening, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.